Good morning, gentlemen, and of course the ladies. Welcome again to day 2 in Chiang Rai. Today we're gonna do some sightseeing, some food discovering. Probably gonna go visit the Mark Wiens as one of the most favorite spots to eat here as well. But for now, we need to hit the gym. I need to get my pantalone to washing. And then we're gonna begin our day. Sawadee krab? Sapai di mai? How are you? Cold?
Tomorrow evening เดี๋ยวตอนเย็นเราไปให้ที่เคาน์เตอร์
I'll bring it to the counter in this evening. Yeah, that's fine.
ให้หนูนะ
Yeah, chai.
โอเคนะ
Kapong crab. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay, that was a nice local encounter with a washing lady. It's a good job Google created translator. Okay then, let's get down to the gym and then some food and coffee and everything rest. Because need to start day on a positive note. Need to smash the shoulders and off we go. Alright. The gym is smashed, shoulders are absolutely annihilated. Time to get some food. We're not gonna be going to the places what I've seen Mark Wiens was in because they are closed for some reason only on Tuesday. And today it is Tuesday. So instead, we're gonna go just some random place, eat some chicken and rice or something. Not sure if I'm gonna film that because chicken and rice is chicken and rice. I already showed you a lot of it. But check out this gym here. 50 baht, yeah? 50 baht. And let me just show you quick tour around the gym. You get all the machines, anything you need. For the legs machines, they're like two leg extensions, 2 leg curls. Everything is 2. Look, pec deck 2. And it's massive. Look at it. You got your abs machines. How many ab machines here? Here is more ab machines. Back machines, 3 straight way in a row. 2 Smith machines, 2 cables, like the jungle stations. Look at this. 2 leg presses. Brother, for 50 baht, this is the best gym value or whatever you call it I ever seen in my life. That's like maybe over a pound, 1 pound 20, maybe 1 pound 25 for a gym like this. But yeah, enough of rambling. The gym, I showed you the gym, amazing gym. Actually, that is the name of the gym. If you are in Chiang Rai, give it a go. Pro gym. But okay then, let's go get some food, let's go get a coffee. Sawadee krab? How much for the eggs?
อันนี้ที่20 บาท
20 baht for free.
ที่20 บาท
Okay, can I have 6?
6อ่ะ
Yeah.
Okay, can. You want?
That's how they do it. No, it's okay, kapong crab.
Okay.
Yeah, they break out the eggs, mix it.
เปิดอ่านถ่ายวิดีโอ Okay.
Ah.
Yeah, this one.
Check this out.
ถ่ายชมกันซักมันก่อน
I never seen how they make, and then they steam it here.
Chicken cut.
No, don't need chicken.
Okay. No chicken cut.
And that's it. That's how they boil it.
เออ
How long you cook them?
1 hour so can
1 hour?
slowly นะน้ำมัน
Oh.
1 hour 2 hour so can
Yeah.
control gas
Yeah, little gas.
you try you go Europe make
So yeah guys, there you go. First time ever you and I seen how those eggs are made. I told you before that they break the top, they put it out, they mix it with some spices and then they boil it, but they don't boil it, they steam it. Okay then, let's get to the chicken business. Alright, we have made it. Sawadee krab?
สวัสดีครับ
Sapai di mai?
ข้าวมันไก่
Yeah, kamangai. Can I get 1 kamangai?
วัน
Yeah.
มีผัดกระเพราtwo portions
Pork.
pork with egg two
So you do chicken or beef?
No, the beef.
No beef, only chicken.
Chicken.
Okay, yeah, chicken good.
Why?
Yeah, one. Okay, brothers, the cow soy is here. Absolutely bomb in Thailand. They're bringing some chicken for me. Oh, kapong crab. Thank you. Some kamangai, chicken and rice. And then we're gonna head to the temples. I don't think so you wanna see me eating, so I'll see you at the temple. But 1 second before I go. The price of the cow soy, you will not even believe me how much it is. This cow soy what I just ate, 40 baht. The chicken and rice that I ordered, the like standard usual kamangai, 40 baht. So I just had a full-on like overeating meal for like 2 pounds. And we have arrived. Welcome to the Blue Temple in Chiang Rai. Check this out. It is pretty unique actually, I would say. I have never seen a blue temple. Like the standard colors are like red, yellow, like a bit of green. But this is actually pretty unique. Everything is blue. The statues are blue, the fountain is blue, the temple is golden blue. I mean, I haven't seen a temple where is not a single gold thing on it, not a single like gold detail on it. Every single temple will have a gold color on it. But okay, let's go see inside. Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. There's another statue there. But it's a white Buddha. It's got blue monks, 6 blue monks near it. Sorry, 5 blue monks. And the Buddha himself is white. That's interesting. Oh, actually on a fountain as well. The fountain itself is all blue and the Buddha is white. And actually quite a bit of tourists here, but mainly Asian tourists. That's kind of surprising. Here we go. Chiang Rai, Blue Temple. Let's see what's the fuss about. I mean, check this out. The Buddha inside is blue as well. Pretty cool. Yeah, there you go. All different paintings all over the walls. Ceiling, columns, everything is in paintings. What pictures? I'm not taking any pictures. Is this painting? Yeah, it is painting. What the hell? Can you imagine how long it took them to paint everything here?
If you would like to support Blue Temple, you can support Blue Temple to the price, water, and transfer.
Here is some farang spraying.
Children, students, school, hospital, and ready decorations in front of the hall. Thank you in advance.
I actually, I'm starting to wonder now why the Buddha is white, not blue. Look at him praying as well. You need to go on your knees, brother. That's not praying. In Buddhism, it needs to be on your knees.
I'm not Buddhist, I'm Christian.
So you're being a racist now, you're saying?
And to be honest,
You're being a racist now, you're saying?
I can pray anywhere if I want. Anywhere in the world I can pray. It doesn't matter if I'm Buddhist or not.
So why you not pray in a hotel room then?
Because
Pray in hotel?
I do,
You don't?
in the morning.
You don't?
But it's different kind of praying. Affirmation.
Yeah, he's wanking in the morning, that's his praying. He's doing some left hand motion.
In here I'm praying to God, but in the morning I'm praying to myself. Because I'm a God as well. So.
Temples are nice, but there is no point spending a couple of hours in them.
Yeah.
Come have a look quickly, it looks nice. Blue temple, gold, whatever it is, drawings. We got some dragons, we got some... I don't even know who this is. This is like a parrot man, Aquaman.
Look at that.
Yeah.
A shredded cunt.
But looks cool. Oh yeah, he's like a birdman. Yeah, look, he got claws. I mean, looks cool. Yeah, it is kind of pretty unique temple because it's blue. I've never seen a blue temple before in my life. Neither I think the white one.
Oh.
Where we're going next? That's where we're going
There is
next.
one.
Oh, what the hell? You've got like a dead person here. Check this out. It's a skeleton.
These are scary ones.
Yeah.
Look at this one with the teeth sticking out.
I'm wondering what does that mean? Like one is normal one, another one is normal, another one is like dead guy, like with skeletons. What does that mean? Don't fear death? I mean, that's devil. He got the things on his head. Horns. Don't fear death. No fear of death here. Yeah, you can see in here as well. There is a couple of them. What the hell? Check him out. This one got teeth as well. Oh, check this out. What the hell? You got all these like skeletons here. Yeah. And can you see guys inside skeletons?
This looks like catacombs.
What the? Oh, this is like hell. You can see fire on the walls there. So, like people burning in hell. And yeah, you see many skulls on here. What the hell? And one big one as well. Holy moly. That's so cool. I like the skulls. They look absolutely insane.
Do it from the bottom line, so you catch all of it.
Yeah, this thing is cool. So that basically is hell, where the people burn in hell. Man. I think I will have to go back home and research why this temple is blue and all that stuff. Because that's quite interesting. No, but this is actually sick temple, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why, but this blue with gold combination goes so good together. And all the little statues as well, they just add up to the whole vibe of it. Is it only one blue temple in all Thailand or no?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
The
Yeah,
main
I've seen purple, I've seen pink, red, but never seen blue one.
Yes.
I tried to ask him why the Buddha is white, but he didn't tell me why it is white. He just kept saying that it's only one white Buddha and that's it. What?
He said when you go to heaven there is only one light, colored light, it's white.
Ah, okay, yeah. So yeah, basically he said that when you go to heaven there is only one light, it's white. That's why the Buddha is white.
And blue color represents the heaven.
There you go, guys. That was a blue temple in Chiang Rai. Okay then, next location. And now we have arrived to the famous white temple of Chiang Rai. Oh, we need a ticket as well. Sawadee krab? Hey, 100 baht, yeah? Okay. White, oh, they even got fish here, what the hell? Probably quick little stop as well, because I do like temples, but I don't like to spend much time in them because it just gets boring. Get inside, have a look at it and that's it. Not much else to do there. But yeah, check this out. It's like all the arms, skulls and everything. Wow. This looks cool. Look, check this out, you got all different hands in there, whoa. What is that about? Yeah, that's a kind of interesting. Check this out, you got the skull in here, all different hands, whoa. That's like a robot hand or something. Yeah, this is cool. I mean, I'm wondering what are these hands about. Yeah, this looks way better than Blue Temple. Okay, let's go see what's inside there. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
No video as well?
No video.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, that's how they paint the temple. Check this out. Little brush, white paint, and off you go. Yeah, that looks cool. Wow. But 5 minutes is enough. Actually, on an inside, it's not as nice. The Blue Temple looked way better inside than this one. Oh, what the hell is this? Check this out. Bunch of like metal things on here. What are they?
I don't know, but it's many of them.
Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's all the way down there.
Like, look deeply into it. It's like every single one is plugged in.
Yeah, yeah, even there. You got this massive trees with them as well. Yeah, that's the same ones. I think people buy them and they put them on. No, people put it for them. Yeah, 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 look, there is writings here. Yeah, yeah. All different writings.
Where?
Here. Antonio Cati.
Oh yeah, yeah. We should do one maybe.
Maybe. Good, what's here? Wait. Ah. This is like a lucky water.
Should we put a little coin in there?
Yeah. I've got one, but I think we need to get it on top of this one.
Good luck.
Did I got it? No? Or- No. Two more. Ah.
You landed on that little arm there.
Oh yeah, shit. Come on, you try. Yeah, that landed on top. That's it. Good luck is with us now. Saudi crab?
Okay.
Sapai di mai?
This one.
What will we put? Just name, yeah?
Like your name and family name, put inside.
Ah, okay. Is it for good luck? Yeah?
Put more information.
And is it same in there as well, yeah? On a ceiling.
Hang over there, staff update over there.
Ah,
You have a marker?
kapong crab? Come on, write it down. Yeah, so everybody know my name now, yeah? I'm not Mr. Schneider anymore.
There's this small date of birth and date, today's date. Let's put it
Let's go hang it. We do everything for good luck. We do this do these little things for good luck.
Kiss it. Alright, let's put
Come
it
on.
here, man.
Yes. I'm not gonna hold your hand, you do it yourself, eh?
It's like...
And then they come and put it on here. Yeah. You can see all the writings. Holy, can you just imagine how many people was there then? What the hell? That's like millions of here. Okay, let's go see now the Golden Temple. Look, even the wood, they even painted wood golden color. No camera. Okay, I have to turn you off, guys. Oh, so, okay, guys. I had to switch off the camera inside there, but I had a talk with one of the ladies inside there. And yeah, this whole premises, they're owned by one guy for now 27 years. This temple is like hundreds of years old, the White Temple. But when that guy bought it, I think, or something like that was, but that guy owns it for 27 years, and it took him 27 years now to renovate this temple, which is crazy. And I asked her how much it cost him now, everything all together, and she said that it's more than 100 million baht, which I mean, pretty generous of that guy. All money goes to temple. But okay then, let's get to our next location of today's, and nobody knows what that location is yet. It was a nice temple. Blue one is good on inside, white one is better on the outside. If you think which one to visit, you have to visit both, because they are only like 25 minutes apart, so it's not a big deal. But let's get to our next location.
Don't go close. Let me take it.
Holy shit, he's... Come here. You okay? No, you're not scared. Holy shit, he's so soft. No way. I've never been to a sheep this close. They treat you good, brother? They treat you good, yeah? You do. I mean, yeah, you don't smell. You're okay, yeah? I mean, this is kind of a cool spot here. We got all the mountains in the background. Pretty sick, I would say. I didn't expect to see this on the way. We are actually on the way to Waterfall and I just seen a picture of a sheep, so I was thinking, why not? Let's go check it out. Ended up being better than I expected. Saudi crab? Let's go and see.
Let's go and check this out.
What's this waterfall about? 700 meters, that's like what, nearly 1 kilometer, no?
Yeah, nearly.
Or, I don't know.
1 kilometer, 1,000 meters.
Is it? Yeah. So basically a 1 kilometer hike. Okay. Let's go on a little adventure. Be aware of slippery route. Mate, I got Yeezys on.
Yeah, look at these. Bad boys.
Superstar.
Superstars.
We fear no slippery surface. Nada. Zero. I love this kind of places. Where you go through the forest, you end up in some waterfall. You have a dip, then you go back through the forest. Nice and peaceful. I'm not sure if that was 700 meters walk, because I would assume 700 meters is a bit longer walk, but apparently that is it. The waterfall. I think it's time to get in the water. It's been a while since I swam in a waterfall. How I walk. I hope it's not slippery in that.
Tarzan.
Bambaklad. It is actually slippery in here.
Can we climb on top?
Yeah. Actually, that looks cool.
We could easily do it. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, that is cold. I mean, it's not even deep here, what the hell? Fucking shower! That's good. Wow, that's so refreshing. Just sit here and relax. Yeah, buddy. I thought it's gonna be colder, but that's falling so hard on you. I'm just like boosting testosterone in Chiang Rai, Thailand. River Island. I mean, actually pretty cool place. Yeah, not like the best waterfall I've seen in my life, but pretty cool. Right guys, this man here, he didn't have any underwear on. So he went like that. He was waiting for people to go away so he can go in a waterfall naked. Savage! Absolutely savage!
That was amazing. Love it.
We are not gay, don't worry, don't even comment anything.
Watch the crazy shit together.
Okay then, refreshing dip is done. The feeling is absolutely amazing. If you are ever in Chiang Rai, don't worry about the cold weather and stuff like this. Just come here, have a dip in a waterfall. Absolutely incredible. It's like so refreshing and you don't even feel cold after, because your body warms up like automatically, naturally, I mean, yeah. So you're feeling like very nice and rejuvenated. And hike worth it. You're just going through the jungle like this. I mean, it is a man-made path, but there is literally nearly zero people. I mean, it's quite interesting what's here. Is it just like a hike through the woods or what?
I mean, this is not the way we came, is it?
No, we're just going to see what's here. I'm actually curious where we're gonna end up now. So yeah, guys, if you are first time on this channel, welcome.
Subscribe.
When we go to the touristy places, but somehow we end up absolutely in the middle of nowhere. That's kind of, yeah, check this out, guys. We just made it. There's somebody's house here. I mean, this scenery looks pretty cool. Mountains and stuff.
The real Thailand guy.
Yes. I think there is no point going further, is it?
Yeah, I don't think there is.
Let's get back to the pad.
Yeah. Before it gets dark.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get this follow.
Okay, guys, we hear some dogs here, so we start running away.
They're on the hond.
On a hund.
And we're like a rabbit. Run, rabbit, run.
I mean, that's pretty f***ed up hearing dogs so deep in the jungle.
Sawadee krab.
Sawadee krab. Sapai di mai. Okay then, no point running then. If we see some people, there is no point running anymore.
She got machete or something.
Yeah. Actually, hearing dogs a bit scared me. Check this out, massive car park and only 2 bikes. 2 legendary bikes of a... And yeah, that's it. That's the waterfall adventure done. Let's go see what the rest of the day is gonna bring us. And here we go. It is already nighttime. Sunset is already happened, I mean. We just made it to a night market. But funny enough about this night market, it is called Saturday night market. And it's Tuesday today. And look at this. It is open. Sawadee krab.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sapai di mai.
สบายดีค่ะพูดแล้วสบายดีไหมคะ
Yes, sapai di.
ไม่พูดไทยชัดจังเลย
Thai nick noi.
ไม่นิดหน่อยแล้วได้เยอะ
I didn't understand anything she said now.
ไม่ได้นิดหน่อยแม่อันนี้จะมิดละ
Not nick noi.
ไม่โน้นิดน้อยละเยอะเลย
Allee maak je?
อร่อยมากเนี่ยร้อน
Lon? Kapot krab?
อู้ติ๊บไอ้ติ๊บนะคะเนี่ยติ๊บ
Nice, nice.
อยู่เนี่ยนะ
Try?
ชิมเนี่ยอันนี้อร่อยพูด
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like an omelette.
Yeah.
And this is crab, I guess.
เห็นไหม
Kapot krab?
Mm-hmm. Same thing. Just
Like
you
I
don't have to take the spinny off.
Yeah.
เดี๋ยวอยู่อัน
This
ไม้
is the
ไม่ต้อง
same
เอาไหม
thing.
เนี่ยอันนี้ไม่ต้องเอาไหมเนี่ยเอาออกนะ
Good.
Very nice, very nice.
Wow.
พริกไทยสปีกพริกไทย
Yeah, speak Thai, nick noi.
โอ้
Soy maak.
อร่อยมาก
Soy maak. I say soy maak. Soy.
Sway.
beautiful อะ
Yeah, beautiful. Huh?
Sway or sway?
โนสวย
Soy
พูดโน
Soy.
สวยคือ beautiful
How
Like
you say beautiful?
แล้วก็
again?
แล้วก็ไอ้สวยนี่คือเขาเรียกว่าพูดลัก
Good luck.
So it's
อ่ะเขาเรียกว่าอะไร
beautiful sway,
สวย
sway or
Sway.
sway?
สวย
Sway.
สวยนี่โนพูดโน
Sway.
สปีก
Sway.
สวยจริง
Sway is not good. Yes, hit him.
Sway.
Hit
yeah,
him.
Sway.
Yes. Kapong krab. Have a good evening. Bye bye. Nice lady.
I still don't know if it's sway or sway.
She was saying to you like 5 times, no sway.
No sway, sway.
Sway. Oh yes. Oh yes. My brother, yellow watermelon. Holy smoky macaroni.
I've never seen that in my life.
No man, it's so good. It's a bit sweeter than normal one. Sawadee krab? Sapai di mai? Yellow watermelon? Can you cut?
Yes.
Kapon krab? อร่อยมาก yeah?
อร่อยหวาน sweet
Sweet, yeah.
Better than this one?
Yeah. How do you say sweet in Thai?
หวาน
Wan?
yes
Wan? Wan?
It's like one.
Wan? Have you ever seen yellow watermelon in your life? Let me guess. No, you didn't. But here it is. Kapon
What's your
krab?
name?
my name is I Ta
Ai.
yes
Is it nickname or name?
nickname
Nickname. And what is your real name? It's okay. Don't need change.
CE1
CE1.
C1.
1
Ah, Siri1.
yes
Very one.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't need change.
oh
Kapon krab.
so much
Why?
Kapon krab. Bye bye. Sawadee krab. Can I get one avocado?
15 บาท
Kapon krab. That's for you.
อ้าว
Kapon krab. Thank you very much. Bye bye. For service. For service. Bye bye. Saudi crab. Is this mango? Yeah.
Mango.
What is it? What is this green? What is it? No, I know. I taste before. Okay. I'll taste again. I'll taste again.
ไอ้ฮัปปี้เลย
Very good. Nung.
วัน
Yeah. How do you say in Thai one piece? How do you say in Thai language one piece? Nung loy?
วัน
One piece nung. Yeah.
หนึ่งอัน
Yeah. Kapon krab.
คำครับ
Oh sorry. Kapon krab. Bye bye.
บ๊ายบาย
Man, I don't know what's happening with me today, but I'm absolutely hungry on fruit.
Coconut, one chicken, please.
Oh, it's chicken coconut, yeah?
One is coconut, one is chicken, this one beef.
Oh.
But I'm not a big fan of beef. I try. What is this? Looks like pierogi, you know?
Aloy Mark? Yeah?
Kapon crab.
Kapon krab, bye bye. Here. Good? Give me a piece.
Well, this is coconut, I think.
I think that's chicken.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, that's good. Is it? The coconut. Yeah, that's good. Oh wow. Better than chicken one. Saudi crab?
สวัสดีค่ะ
Which one chicken?
What is this?
It's fish.
Chicken.
Ah, fish.
Fish, yeah.
Ah,
Prawn.
prawn.
Take one, this one.
What's
And
that?
Chicken, this one.
Oh.
I don't know what that is, the black one. I don't know. Looks like black pudding, some shit.
What is this?
This one?
Chicken.
Chicken, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Black chicken?
Black chicken?
Oh, racist? What rice you gonna take? Green rice?
Either that or black. What's the black one? What's the black rice?
Okay. Black,
You said
I don't know.
Butterfly, you know? You said butterfly.
Yeah, butterfly rice. That's purple rice. Butterfly rice.
I get the green one, I try, I don't know.
Yeah, I never seen green one as well.
How much?
70 บาท
One.
What is this? Sticky rice.
The
Okay.
black rice what we tried.
I thought that's fish, but that's the
Oh,
dessert.
it's chocolate inside, yeah. And
Yeah.
Here is chocolate, strawberry.
Oh, pandan, taro,
I'll try one as well, I guess.
bean paste. Actually, I just take three different taro, pandan and bean paste.
I'm gonna
No.
take. Can I get strawberry, chocolate, and taro?
And can I get one taro, one pandan, and one bean paste? Kapon crab. 1 second. Okay, Kapon crab. Have a good evening. Bye bye. Okay, let's go see what we can eat. Actually, Saudi crab. Sapa idi mai? What is your favorite? And which one? Which one? This one? อร่อยไหม Okay then, I'll take it 2. 30? Kapon crab, thank you. One for you. Enjoy. Spicy?
Don't eat the fucking thing. Yeah. So,
I mean, didn't try when they said it's salty. Okay, not my type of thing.
no?
There we go, avocado. Nearly as good as shake. Okay, avocado demolished. Now guys, I want to show you this custard apple, or whatever the hell the name of this was. So you don't need to even cut it, all you need to do is just like open it like this. That's how it looks. And from there and from here you just split it in again in half maybe. Like this. And that's it. Just eat it. But be careful. Don't bite right into it because there is so many what you call them?
Phalanx. Seeds.
Seeds. So many seeds inside. Absolutely must try fruit. Remember the name. Custard apple. It's time to jump into one of these. A little fish. Do you remember this dessert what we bought? Yeah. Sawadee crab. Man. Thai people know how to make desserts.
Yes.
Man, this is so good. Holy moly. Recommended. Absolutely recommended. And the actual crust is so good as well. It's like eating a soft cookie or something like that. Custard apple, recommended. This fish dessert, recommended. Salted eggs, not recommended. Yellow watermelon, absolutely recommended. Oh wait, I still got this dessert
Her favorite, let's see. She gave
from this cute little lady. Okay, let's go for it. She said that's her favorite. And then nothing special.
No?
Just a cream on top of the bread. They're still not bad. And now, another thing that's recommended to you guys. It's this. This mango. It is so delicious. Especially if you are not scared of a little bit of spicy and sugar. Let me just open it. You go ahead, they give you this little sachet or whatever you call it, and you dip your mango in there. I mean,
Better with or without?
health-wise better without.
Well, taste-wise.
Taste-wise,
I think it's maybe even better without it.
I think yeah, because it's very sweet. Right, broskis. We smashed the food. I'm absolutely full from all that watermelon and stuff. Now, let's go watch the light show. Hopefully it's gonna be worth watching. Let's go. And that's the clock tower here. I don't know what kind of light show is gonna be, but let's see. Apparently they said it's nice. So we are gonna be the judge of that. And I think it's starting now. No worries, that's it. I know. That's it, light show is finished, guys. Everybody, thank you, and bye bye.
Where's the light?
No, joking, wait. I think it's gonna be beginning in 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute should be. Oh yeah, there you go. That's the light show. Yeah, there is some massive like ball inside of that lotus flower. Three hours later. Hopefully it's gonna be worth watching. 1 week later. That's it, guys. Light show finish. How was it?
One of the best things I've seen in my life, to be honest, guys. It was better show than previous year's New Year's Eve when the fireworks were blowing up. It's not even comparable. Like you need to come to Chiang Rai and check this out yourselves.
Yeah, absolutely incredible. Incredible. Like just coming to Chiang Rai to see this show, that's worth it. That's it. Nothing else. Forget about sheep, forget about waterfalls, forget about getting lost on the moped somewhere in the woods. No, light show.
Don't even need to take hotel. Just come here with bike, see the show, go back. That's it.
It's cool to see it, but it is boring. Once is enough. But okay then, I think on this beautiful note, we're gonna end this vlog. I see you on the next one. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, stay strong. And leave me a comment down below where you want me to go.